What are you tired of?
You're just fucking annoying. You won't stop yelling at it.
Well, dude, if you want to be something annoying, start doing stuff around the house.
Start doing stuff around the house.
Take the shit out.
Take
Do
the
your
shit out.
fucking. Take your shit out. Take out your fucking trash. Turn on
I
the
have
fucking
my
lights.
trash. I keep it in my room.
Okay, that's kind of fucking disgusting. I don't want
And
to
I
know.
take that shit out
That's
and I
weird.
use it.
What about these trash cans?
I don't put stuff in that trash can
Ever.
except for with the meals.
Never, except for the meal. So you do put
So
stuff
I'm
in the
gonna
trash
take it
can.
off.
Turn off the
The
lights.
meals.
Turn off the lights. But it's okay. You do big
My
lights.
fucking lights in my room.
Yeah, turn off your lights.
Fuck off. You watch your clothes 24/7. It uses just as much power.
Do I? Do I watch
Yeah.
it 24/7? 24/7.
Fucking way more power. I'm ready to fucking go right now, Connor.
I don't need to
Come
prove
on.
anything fighting you.
Come on.
Andrew, I do not want to
Fuck
fight
down
you. Andrew, I'm not going to fight you.
Connor.
That's the most
I'm
immature
fucking
thing ever.
tired of you.
What are you going to achieve from fighting me? Like, seriously.
Fucking beat your
What are you going to
ass.
achieve? Okay.
Get some anger out.
Okay, why do you
Fucking
want
been
to?
up for 24 hours already. I'm tired.
Okay, go to bed.
Fucking been working on homework and I have to deal with your shit.
Okay, go work
Yeah.
on homework. No one is forcing you to be down
Dude,
here.
I want to come out and fucking take a break and you're just being a little bitch.
Okay, well, you started
Fucking
it.
go.
I don't need to prove anything to you.
Let's fucking go.
I don't need to prove
You
anything
won't
to you.
stop
Andrew, I'm
fucking
not going
shit.
to fight
You
you.
won't actually do anything about it.
Yeah, I will. I'm not going to do anything about
You're
it.
just gonna fucking sit there.
Yeah, I'm a pussy. I've got nothing.
Fuck off, Connor. Any fucking time.